Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this sketchbook. I know I'm not perfect at it and it's my first time to make a sketchbook. I see some references on YouTube and Pinterest and I'm interested at it and I wanted to make it. So now you guys, I'll show you how I make it without specialized tools. So let's start by folding the sheets of paper in half, then cut it. After that, I will fold the piece of paper in half again. I fold a lot of paper and in each fold there have 9 pieces of paper. Once you're done, move into the next step. Mark your holes for stitching. For me, the distance between one hole to another hole is 5 cm, but you can do it in 2, 3, 4, or even 1 cm. After you've done marking, it's the time to poke in a hole in a marked areas. I'll use this regular needle to pierce the paper. And I use a foam sheet to make the process easier. What the paper looks like after I poked a hole in it. After you complete, it's the time to stitch binding the pages together. Thread your needle and tie the end of the thread. Then start stitching the pages together as I am. Good morning! I finished stitch binding the pages last night and now I will make the cover for this. I think some people call them signatures. Anyways, here is the cover. These two are the cover for the back and front. Here is the width and length. And this is for the side of the sketchbook. And here is the width and the length. And now I will glue it using a glue. But before that, I use a foam sheet to cover the table, thus it doesn't be messy. After inserting your clips, start applying glue on the side of the sketchbook, like this. Then apply any type of paper on a glued area. Apply the glue on the cover and spread it. Then stick to the first page. Do the same thing as the front. Put any heavy thing at the top of the sketchbook. I use a lot of books at the top. This helps the sketchbook to be flat and stick together. I'll wait for one day until it dries. After 24 hours, here is the result and I'm so happy with that. It turns out very well and I'm so proud of myself because it's good. I didn't expect that. I really like it and look at the cover. Oh my god. I want to add my name at the cover, so I put some tape at the cover and I write my name. So guys, if you like this video and if you find it helpful, don't forget to like and share. And don't forget to subscribe also to support my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!